is that?
It looks really good, but I just don't know how you do it. Oh, I didn't know how you do it. That's superb.
Hessian, or you use the slickers, which are the wooden things.
Yeah,
like
I've got handheld slickers. I've got slickers on a polisher. I've got
when they're on
mops for finishing. But
when they're on a mandrel, on the stuff, it's very difficult to do a long length because it wants to dig in. So it's great for doing interiors and round there. That's fine, or small little wallets. But when you're doing it like that, that's just work.
I'm really impressed with those edges that haven't gone dark, if that makes sense. That's what I'm used to.
Well, that's people just see that all that is the red dye. Yeah, it's all right. That's that one.
That's all right.
Yeah. We've got sold one now, so it should have a bit more room. But
these two aren't burnt.
Eventually, when it comes to steel, you've got to respect the steel, love the leather. You're literally working with it. And when it comes to these lines, now I do not use a groover and remove any leather.
Your surface stitching there.
So the stitching is beneath the level, but what I'm doing is, if I got any tools on me,
French saddle stitch and then handle it.
no,
No?
lock stitch. I do not saddle stitch. Right, saddle stitch. Bleh. It breaks. It'll all come undone. Right, there's your lever.
Yep.
What does everybody do?
Groover down, few stitches
Groover.
on.
Well, first of all, you get that murder straight. Otherwise, it's pointless putting the freaking thing up the side. So there it is. Oh God, you got a really great hole in there now. There's a groove. I haven't removed any leather.
You just dent it in rather than...
All I'm making is an impression.
Yeah.
Then you can run that down with your finger.
I haven't got a good one of them.
You don't need a good one of
So I
them.
tend to use my calipers anyway. So
Calipers is perfect, yeah.
I dent it anyway.
Set your calipers, run it along, that's your line. But get that edge absolutely perfect. More emphasis on the level. Yeah, it's pretty robust.
Wessex Blades.
Thank you.
Read it, man.
Because that's it.
Right.
Thanks.
Round, but I like that.
Yeah, I finally made it.
Nice scales on that one.
I got another plum there, right?
Oh, okay.
One of these is plum. I think it's that one. Does that say plum on it?
Yeah, English.
Yeah,
English
he's plum.
stabilised.
Not quite a dirt, but...
No, get a similar sort of size there, yeah.
So if you get a slip pouch,
Yeah.
you could.
So that's a proper traditional skin.
Yeah.
That one there, like,
The
you
skin
don't
do.
see the size. It's
Yeah,
like,
it
it's
ain't
not
far
much
off.
between them. Yeah.
Just you just slimming it down a bit.
Yeah.
It's a perfect weight, the skin do.
Sheath. Oh, that's nice. But even the profile for the blade as well, like you're getting a bit of tax on your finger.
When I got them originally cut out, the radius was a bit tight. But I go to a bigger wheel.
Yeah.
And because your hands are slightly bigger than mine, so what I do is I hold it.
Yeah.
If I don't think someone with slightly bigger hands any good,
Yeah.
I make it so it's slightly bigger than mine. I think I got slightly smaller hands than average. That's a prepper knife. That's a Golok. So one guy north of the border has one of them. He did a back cut on a tree the other day, went whoomp like that, and he went through something like this, one go.
Okay, pick this one up as well.
Yeah. Now, front forward, that's rounded.
That's That's a monster.
I got to type in Golok, not a review, because he just went. It's beyond a review. He can't even talk about it. It's just crazy. Golok, not a review. Might find it. There's me. That's typing in Golok.
Okay. Golok, that's the style of that particular knife then, is it? Oh, sorry.
Well, yeah, it's modelled on the Martindales, which is the British sort
Right,
of.
okay.
Here you go, grunt. Have that. Which from about there is a distal taper, a real slant on it, so it makes it lighter. But it's not really a quality bit of kit.
Yeah.
And the blade goes in, and then they file it.
In the proper
40-degree fucking bevel.
Right, okay.
Not a very refined tool.
No.
But if I go to work on that Martindale's Golok,
Yeah.
oh yeah. Ready? So thanks to John, he now has a Leuku and a ferro rod. Thank you, John. Made my day, sir. Thank you.
Made mine as well.
Thank you. Don't forget your.
Back to the car without being stopped now.
Thank you.